Hi, I'm Emma, and some of my hobbies include crocheting. As displayed right here are some of my examples. In the middle is a bee I recently did. The top right corner is Jack Skellington and Zero, and the bottom left corner is a digital pixel heart hat I did, kind of like video games, which I enjoy. Achievements I did is I earned the PTCB, which is the Pharmacy Technician Certification Board exam for work. And I also created a mental health counseling center for my high school to help kids who struggle with mental health issues, which is still there and they actively use it, along with during the past 3 years living in Florida, I've become more social. What I hope to learn in SLS is a better way of setting goals that are more achievable, not to really be procrastinated, and to just not be distracted at all. I'm just very new to online learning. I'm used to being in the classroom, but even in the classroom, I just am used to doing everything on my own, being independent. So I hope it works out.